The customer lies flat first, then clean the thighs with a towel. The customer should bend legs, then apply 2 layers of suitable sized freezing masks on the inner side of thighs. Set energy level, set 20 minutes, 5 degrees Celsius, 50% section, and start. Please note, it is advised to set 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, 8 to 10 minutes for the first time of use. Increase the time to 20 to 30 minutes after adoption. Adjust the section according to one's feeling. The bigger the section is, the tighter the section on fat is. Attach the freezing handle on the inner side of thighs, which are with freezing masks on. Please note, do not attach the probe on the bones of the customer. The skin will feel tight, ice, and numbing. These are normal phenomena. During the process, try to ask the customer's feeling for many times. If the customer feels not good, stop the machine immediately. During the process, due to some air between the probe and freezing mask, the suction will produce some bubbles. The machine will stop automatically when the operating time is up. Take off the handle and clean it. Put it back to the rack. Remove the freezing masks and clean the thighs with a towel. Please note, the operating area may have slight redness, numbness, or slight bruise. Don't worry, they are normal phenomena after vacuum. They will disappear in 3 to 7 days. Please note, please keep warm after operation. Avoid wearing super short skirt and super short and avoiding getting cold. Drink warm water to moisturize and accelerate the metabolism. Take a shower in 4 to 6 hours after operation. Do not overeating or stay up. Do not scratch at the operated area. Do not knead or press the operated area. Do the same on the other side of the thighs.